Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Autocad Command Break and how to use it. Let's get started. So we're going to look at Autocad Command Break and how to use it. So to start, we can type in break on our command line, or what you can do is you can also go to modify, and then under modify we have the break icon. So let's click break. It will ask you to select the object, and then after that it will ask you to specify the second breakpoint, something like that. But we can do it again, so let's type in break. But now we're gonna select the object, and here you have the option of selecting the first point. So to do that, let's type in F and then enter. I'm gonna choose here, and then it will ask you for the second point. So let's do it again with this example. So type in break and then enter. Select the object. Type in F for first point and then enter. I'm going to choose this endpoint, and then I'm going to choose the second endpoint. What if you choose to select both endpoints, or the first and second point at this specific endpoint? So let's try it. So type in break, select the object, type in F for first point, enter. I'm gonna select this as my first, and then I'm gonna select this as my second. Press escape, and as you can see, it breaks the line on that endpoint. If you're breaking a circle, so type in break and then enter. What you have to know is that it is counterclockwise. So if I select this circle, and then I'm gonna select the second point, it will be like that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.